Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog for beginners, all right? No coding required. Welcome to my channel, Ask Hacker Cheche. In this channel, I talk about how to build an online business. I talk about income hacks. I also talk about digital marketing. And of course, I talk about NFTs and the metaverse. Please watch this video to the end. If you do, I'm going to give you a link to get a sweet discount for web hosting, which is one of the things you need for your blog. All right, so do that. And of course, please click the like button, subscribe, and get notified for other videos we're going to make. Okay, now for the first step that we'll be taking to build our blog, you need to choose what type of blog you want. All right, there are four different types of blogs. There's a niche blog. All right, if you want to work on a particular niche. All right, if you're an expert, I would recommend you go for an expert blog. Right, if you plan to curate content from other people, I would recommend you go for a curation blog. And of course, if you want to talk about your lifestyle and all that, then the perfect type of blog you need would be a lifestyle blog. All right. So you need to choose what type of blog you want. And that's going to be the first step to creating our blog for today. All right. For step two, you need to choose a name for your WordPress blog. All right. A name is very, very important. And if you're wondering, why WordPress? All right, WordPress is the content marketing system that's going to help us create our blog without having need of any single line of code. All right, so we won't need to write any line of code by ourselves. All right, so do that. Get a paper and pen and choose a name for your WordPress blog. That is absolutely very, very important. All right, so do that very quickly and we'll get on with other stuff. Step three, you need to purchase web hosting. All right, hosting means that we need the place where we're going to place the files for your blog. All right, and I would recommend you go for Bluehost. Okay, so we're going to look around here. With Bluehost, you get to start at around $2.75 per month. All right, so we click on hosting and we head over to shared hosting. Okay, so we look at the plans we have here. We have the basic plan, and that will be what we'll be going for right now. There's the plus, there's a choice plus, there's a pro. I recommend you go for basic. All right, the basic, you get one website, 50 gig SSD storage, and of course you can get custom themes. All right, now the next thing we need to do is that we need to set up your domain name. Right, the same way you have an address for your physical location of your office. That's the same way we're gonna need a domain name for your WordPress blog. Okay, so I'm going to choose a name for my blog, Cheche and James. Okay, I click on next. Okay, so, all right, so the name is available, so we could proceed. Right, so we need to fill in our account information, and at the end we check that we have read and agreed to Bluehost terms, and then we click on submit. Well, weird fact of the day: did you know that there is an annual coffee break festival at Staunton, Wisconsin? I mean, like, this is really mind blowing. All right, back to our blog creation process. Okay, so I just logged into an account I have already with Bluehost. All right, this is the website global report card. Okay, so this is the dashboard you get to when you log in. So click on log into WordPress and give that some time to load. All right, so it's loading WordPress, and it's loading. Okay, and we're waiting. Okay, all right, so this is my WordPress WordPress dashboard. All right, this is the first page you see each time you log into WordPress. Okay, this is my home page and some other things that we need to see. All right, so now let's work on how to install WordPress on your blog. Now with Bluehost automatically helps you install WordPress with just one click. So let's move on to step 6. We need to choose and customize our blog theme, right? There are different free and paid themes. So head over to appearance and click on themes. So we give that some time to load. We scroll down. There are several themes available for us. Okay. We need to add a new theme, right? So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay. All right. So these are the themes that are available currently. There are lots and lots and tons of free themes available. Okay. So Chicklight 2021 Astra. Hello 2020 Elemental 2017 Ocean WP. Nope. So we just look around here. So when you're done looking around and exploring and seeing your options, if you've come up with one that you would love to just you could review it to see how your blog would appear when you're done with that theme. All right. So I'm going to head on back. Okay, install this and okay, activate. I'm going to activate that. All right, so yep. All right, so the theme has now been installed successfully. All right, so I'm just gonna look around here a little bit and see what we have. All right. Okay, if you're looking to get a premium theme, a perfect place to get it would be elementor.com. All right, Elementor has lots and lots and tons of amazing themes. If you're looking for a portfolio or CV blog, creative, and e-commerce, landing pages, events, media, Elementor has the perfect paid theme for you. All right, I'm going to leave the link down below for you. All right. Okay, so we'll still look around here a little bit and all right, I think we should just go around here and don't forget, if you want to choose a theme, you need to click on the button first to install, and then again you need to click again to activate a particular theme for your blog. All right, so we are looking at choosing and customizing a blog theme for you. All right, so for step 7, we need to add plugins to your blog. These are the top 5 recommended plugins I would recommend you use. Okay, Jetpack, AIO SEO, Optin Monster, WP Forms, and Shared Counts. Okay, these are the top recommended plugins for you. Jetpack helps with analytics and all. AIO SEO, like the name implies, it helps with SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. All right. If you're looking to build an audience, you need Optin Monster. It's going to help you with forms and generating, getting people to subscribe and then build a list and an audience. Okay. WP Forms is also perfect for your forms, your contact form, and other forms you'll be getting. And of course, you want to be able to share, you want visitors to be able to share your content. So you need shared counts. All right. Now, for us to add the plugins, we need to head over to plugins on the left hand side of our dashboard. We have install plugins, add new. So we click on add new. All right, so we're going to close that and close that. All right, so head over to the search bar and type. I'm going to type Jetpack. Okay, give it some time to load. It's loading. Perfect. So that's Jetpack. It's going to help you for security, backup, speed, and of course growth of your blog. So first hit on install, and when it's done loading, you also click again to activate. The same thing we did for when we wanted to install a new theme for our blog. Right, so that's loading. Okay, so yeah, now we need to activate it and then look around, see the options and all. Right, so let's try adding another plugin to our WordPress blog. Okay, yep. Right, AIO SEO. Do I have that already? All right, all-in-one SEO. Perfect, it's already installed on this blog, so we wouldn't need to add that anymore. Right, so for the next step, we need to brainstorm blog topics. All right, the having to brainstorm blog topics doesn't have to be a big task. All right, so there are 3 questions I would love for you to ask yourself. All right, ask yourself, what excites your readers? Ask yourself, what would they be worried about? Ask yourself, what would they love to learn from your blog? All right, these questions should guide you to brainstorm the perfect blog topics that you'll be writing about. Don't forget, this depends on the type of blog that you decided on from our first step. All right, so for step 9, we need to write and publish your first blog post. Okay, now how do we write and publish our first blog post? We're going to head over to posts, all posts, add new. Yep. Okay, and that's loading. It's loading. Okay, give it some time. Perfect. All right, so this is our post editor. All right, this is called blog editor. Okay, so as you can see, you could add a title. You could choose to add different blogs. Right, I'm going to add a title. Wow, this is my first blog post. All right, perfect. Then we could choose to add other things, right? Paragraphs, and of course you could also add headers, headers, subheaders. Okay. Yep. Now to add more content types to your blog, you could just click the plus button over at the left hand side. All right, and so you have paragraphs, verses. You could add media, images, quotes. You could do lots of stuff. Okay, so let's try adding something else to our WordPress blog. Okay, if you look to my right hand side, you will see the black plus button too. That too works if you want to add more content types to your blog. All right, so a paragraph, an image, a heading, a gallery, whichever it is that you would want to do, you could do that easily. Okay, so let's add an image. You could see that you could upload an image, or you could select from already available images. All right, so I'm going to click on upload new. I would please note that the maximum upload file for an image size is going to be 512 megabytes, so you don't want to exceed that. Okay, so just look around and perfect. I'm just going to choose this cap, the branded cap. All right, all right. So it's uploading. When it's done uploading, we simply select the file and hit the blue button that says select at the base, at the right hand base of the page. I'm going to add some alternate text, and okay, this is the white cap, so click on that. Okay, so the image has been added to the blog post successfully. Okay, yeah, publish. All right, so I'm prompted to do some more work on the blog post, change the visibility from public to private. I could schedule it, so I could also do some work on the SEO. The CD analysis is quite poor, 73. Readability, it's found 2 errors because I didn't add so much text to my blog post. Okay, I'm going to publish anyway because this is just for this tutorial, right? And we click on publish to publish this blog post. Yeah, all right, post has been published. All right, so if you click on this button, it's going to take us to view this post, and of course you could share directly to Twitter, to Facebook, to Pinterest, to LinkedIn. All right, so for step 10, let's talk about how you could monetize your blog. All right, there are different ways to monetize your blog. We have advertising. You could create digital products or affiliate marketing. All right, for advertising, you could turn on Google AdSense. Okay, or you could have people pay you depending on the amount of visitors you're getting to advertise on your blog. All right, you could create digital products, ebooks, guides, courses, print on demand. Yeah, you could do that. All right, so you could also try affiliate marketing. All right, for affiliate marketing, you could work with Amazon, ClickBank. There are tons and tons of affiliate marketing networks that you could work with. Of course, there's share still too. All right, so if you have decided on what is going to work for you, then you choose that. Right, so these are different ways you could monetize your blog.